The 4 truck is Todd Gilliland. He is the control truck with his Kyle Busch Motorsports teammate Noah Gragson right next to him in the 18. Gilliland has never won before, just 18 years old. Gragson needs a win to secure a spot in the next round of the playoffs. And we're green, overtime in Canada.
Nice turn there by Gilliland. He's able to pull ahead of Gragson. Gragson went way wide there, but he's able to hold on to second for the moment.
Yeah, Haley challenged, but couldn't pull up even with Gragson. And now Moffitt is on the move. Moffitt takes the spot from Haley. Moffitt into third, but Haley fighting right back on the right-hander.
Yeah, not yet.
Haley gets it back.
He got it back.
Now Moffitt and John Hunter Nemechek side by side.
Here's where we're going to see some contact.
Turn 5, and Rhodes goes around. Ben Rhodes was running 6th.
Johnny Sauter got into him.
Still green. Rhodes back under power. Gilliland continues to lead with Gragson in second. Justin Haley third.
Moffitt wants to take a run at Nemechek here.
Coming to the white flag. 10 turns to go for the 4 of Todd Gilliland. And the next flag will end the race. Even if we have to go to caution, that will be it.
What a strong exit of turn 10 Gilliland had. He needs to keep that cushion. He's got to have that gap, but it looks like Gregson's really closing in. Two young drivers at their best right here, both driving for Kyle Busch Motorsports.
Gilliland out front, Gragson stalking. It's the last lap of the race.
Look at this dive into 5. Can Gragson get there? He's gaining, Phil.
Can he get to the bumper of Todd Gilliland? And if he does, would he move the teammate?
Similar equipment, same engine program, same everything. See side-by-side battle for 4th. Behind Haley. He's using the draft. Drafting up on the back of the 4 of Gilliland. Here comes Gragson.
Coming into the 8th turn. Gilliland still holding on. Can Gragson get to the bumper? Through 8, 9, and here they come to turn 10, the final turn. Gragson gets underneath. Gilliland and Gragson go side by side and around. Justin Haley is going to come through and win in Canada.
You called it, Michael. Justin Haley.
The teammates take one another out, and Justin Haley comes through to win the playoff opener.
Holy cow.
And they may be teammates, but they're not friends right now.
And look who's also upset. Ben Rhodes got taken out, spun around by Johnny Sauter.
There are a lot of hurt feelings.
That's a shame.
Now.
A lot of damaged trucks, too, for that last lap incident.
The 54 of Bo Lamastus, and I believe that's the 22 of Austin Wayne Self. On the other side of Lamastus.
Look at the damage to the right front of Lamastus' truck, all down on the road.
Well, you heard Kevin Bellecourt, the crew chief, say it. His driver hadn't put a wheel out of place all day long. And Justin Haley was in the right spot and had the truck underneath him to take advantage when Todd Gilliland and Noah Gragson collided.
Vince, he heard our average winner's age north of the border. It was 18.8. He's 19. That's going to drive that up. How about that? What a great finish. Just two guys that were battling for the same ground down in turn 10 again. And around they both went.
The second trip for Justin Haley to victory lane this season. He won earlier this year at Gateway. And this will be one he'll never forget, that's for sure. And you see Todd Gilliland, he won't forget it either. Here they come through the final turns.
You see Gilliland slipped a bit and then shut the door. Gregson felt like he was already in the door and contact was made.
Is there blame to be assessed there?
Well, I don't know. It's hard racing. I mean, the 4 of Gilliland got a little bit loose off of turn number 9. That slowed his momentum enough to allow Gregson to get there on the inside. There's definitely a cause and an effect, Vince.
And I think the slip by Gilliland opened the door enough to where Gregson thought he was far enough in to go ahead and make the move. It certainly didn't work.
Alan?